Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Fifth Avenue Project. We are back at it with another episode. Now, for today, we're going to focus on a little something different. Got to get back on my audio tip. And basically, I like to have headphones for every occasion. You guys know I rock with the Bose Quiet Comforts when I'm traveling or when I go to the gym. They're lightweight, they're wireless, noise canceling, perfect for that. When I go to the studio, I usually have my M40x Audio-Technica headphones. And those are about $150. They've been out for a few years now. If you're in the audio business or headphone business or whatever, you guys know that those are pretty popular headphones. Cost about $1.50, and they're worth every penny. A little bulky. I can't really travel with them or walk around with them a lot. It's not ideal for that, even though you can do it. I just know when I wear it for a long time, it kind of causes air fatigue for me. That's me personally. The other day I was hanging out with my friend, and I realized he had M40x. And I never got a chance to try them out, but I always did hear good things about them. And when I tried it out for maybe a couple hours. I said, let me just hold on to these for a little bit because I want to see if there's a difference between the M50s, which I have. I leave them at the studio most of the time. And I want to see if there's a difference between the 50s and the 40s, considering the price difference. Now, I did get this during Cyber Week on Cyber Monday on Amazon for $70. You know what I'm saying? And I know the price usually goes for about $100. You could probably get it on sale. This is not a refurb. This is a brand new unit. Everything made sense. You know, everything came together at the right time. And I figured in the new year, I'd do an unboxing. And then I'll follow up with a video review of these headphones after I rock with them for maybe a couple of weeks or so I could give you guys an honest opinion on what I feel about them. But for today, we're just going to focus on the unboxing of the Audio-Technica ATH-M40x. All right, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. A little flap here. All right, so it comes with a little, something fell out right there. Looks like you get a leather carrying case with it. Or pleather, whatever it is. It's nice though, it has the drawstrings. And I'm figuring the headphones could fold up pretty good if it could fit in this little bag right here. So that's the carrying case you get with it. I'll zoom that up for y'all. All right, that's the carrying case. Looks like you get some warranty info, whatever. All right, so it looks like it's like a little cardboard mound right here with the logo on it. Looks like it was protecting the wires. Let's see what wires we get with it. Push this to the side. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so 3.5 millimeter to 2.5. And I'm figuring this part goes into the headphones itself. This cable is 3 meters long, and this is just straight cable. This is what you're gonna be using on a day-to-day basis, most likely. Or you can just buy whatever cord from like Monoprice or whatever if you don't like the length of this cord. But the longer the better, pause, in most instances. I rather the cord be 3 meters than like say a foot or so, because a lot of headphones come with short ass cords. I'd rather it be like this, and I could tie it up if I want or buy another cord. So this is the cord here. All right, so let's get over to the next cord. Push this aside. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is the coil cable. Same 3 meter length right here. This part goes into the headphone again, your 2.5 millimeter, obviously. And this could go into your professional recording equipment. If you have a keyboard, guitar player, bass player, whatever you have, whatever recording equipment you have, or audio equipment, this is your 6.3 millimeter cable. I think this is an adapter actually. Yeah, it's an adapter. So your 3.5 millimeter cable could turn into a 6.3 millimeter cable. right there with the adapter. Okay, screw this back on. We good to go. So there it is, little zoom up for y'all. Okay, those are the cables. Now back to the headphones. Okay, so these are the headphones. Something else comes in here actually. What's this right here? Oh, this shows you that the headphones have a locking cable. You put the small end of the cable, the 2.5 millimeter portion, into the headphone jack, and then you twist it. Real simple. You see it right there. Okay, that's that. And now the main event. The headphones. Very lightweight. Materials are pretty good, but like I said, I want to do a full review on it. I want to actually have it for a couple weeks as opposed to a couple of hours. Because I did borrow it, fell in love with it, fell in love with the price. And $75, you really can't beat it from what I heard over the course of 2 hours. But I want to do, you know, I just want to rock with these for a couple of weeks and see how it is in all occasions. Going to the gym, traveling, use different types of music and whatnot, and really give it a go so I could give you guys a review on it. But for today, it was just an unboxing. Just in case you guys are on the fence, this is how it looks. You know, nice presentation, lightweight. All right, looks like you can swivel this around, looks like you can fold this in. Don't want to break them. Looks like you can rotate the earpieces. Give you guys a closer look at that. The materials, if you can see it there. All right, and you can, these can turn, looks like about 90 degrees, and then they lock. They can't go all the way around. They don't turn in the opposite direction all the way, about 90 degrees, like that. And I'm pretty sure you can fold these, and then you can fold these up like so, and you put that in your carrying case. And very lightweight compared to older models. All right, guys, so this was an unboxing for the Audio-Technica ATH-M40x. I'll be back with a review. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Fifth Avenue Project all day, baby. See you guys in the next video.